Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to July 8th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today is Agricultural Workshop Day, a fantastic opportunity to connect with the roots of our food and understand the vital role farming plays in our daily lives. Step 1. Find a local workshop. Search for a nearby agricultural workshop, farm visit, or virtual farming session. Choose one that allows kids to see or learn hands-on techniques like planting, irrigation, or composting. Step 2. Dress like a farmer. Put on boots, a sun hat, or a scarf. Get into the spirit of being on the farm. Let children pretend they are real farmers getting ready for their field. Step 3. Explore and learn together. Join the workshop and observe tools, seeds, soil types, and sustainable techniques. Ask questions and let children get their hands in the dirt, learning through touch and curiosity. Step 4. Reflect on food origins. Talk about how our food grows, from seed to plate. Help children appreciate the effort and time that farmers invest to feed the world. Step 5. Celebrate farm life. Create a fun farm-themed collage. Draw your favorite crop or share a photo from today's activity. Say thank you to a farmer, virtually or in person. Celebrate Agricultural Workshop Day by digging into learning, appreciating farm life, and planting seeds of awareness. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.